So what we doing today? We gonna go to my school, meet up with some people, make some beats, everything the same. I'm probably gonna cut in and out of filming because I'm walking through the streets, and that's not so smart. But fuck it, y'all know how I do. But yeah, niggas gotta take a long ass walk because I don't like hopping the train no more. And what I mean by hopping the train, niggas in New York City know what's hopping the train. When we instead of paying for the train, we just jump on it, like we jump over the railing and all of that. So yeah, this train, they caught me right here. But yeah, I hopped over and then undercover cop came and get this vibe. I hopped over and I started walking and then the motherfucking the undercover cop, he came out of nowhere and he pulled me aside. Or he didn't pull me aside, he just tapped me on my shoulder. So I turned around, who the fuck is this? So son, he went like this. He pulled down his coat because it was cold at the time. Like it was still ending of winter or whatever. So he came and he pulled down his coat and pulled out his little badge. So I'm like, fuck this nigga. So after that, nigga he gave me a ticket. So he gave me the ticket. I was tight for a little bit. I was like, damn, nigga really gave me the ticket. Gotta clean this real quick. So yeah, son gave me a ticket and I was just tight. I was like, yo, what the fuck, son? But yeah, we just walking here, trying to get to my school. We 2 minutes in to the recording. But yeah, so yeah, we walking and I'm walking. So I start thinking like, I'm listening to music walking, like while I had that little cut. So I start thinking like, yo, how do these like YouTubers and shit like that, or these people making videos, how do they like stay consistent? Like looking mad close. So I'm like, yo son, how do they stay like consistent with the shit? So I'm like, oh nah. Thinking like, what if I just like set a rule for myself where it's like, once I make a video, like a beat video tutorial, whatever, I instantly, like not instantly, but like the same day, I force myself to just edit it, right away and like get it done. And like every day, every time I do it, let's say I film a video at like 12 or some shit like that p.m. and then I edit it like at 6 or 5 or some shit like that. Like later or 3, whatever, right away after I finish it, depending on like the time frame that I'm home and shit like that. So I was just thinking like, do other people do that too? Like, do they set a time frame where it's like, when I start filming, or when I film this video today, I'm strictly editing later, or I'm strictly editing the next day, like, or some people just take it easy. Like some people, they film it and then they wait a couple days to edit it, or they have like an editing day. I don't know, like people have schedules and shit like that. So I don't know how that would work. Fuck it though, but people always do it. So yeah, like I was just thinking like, oh, I'ma just set like a schedules type shit, or like a automatic type shit. Yeah. So like the automatic type shit where I'm like, if I film a video today, I have to edit it the same day, like once I get home or some shit like that, or when I got time like that day. But you know when people be like, oh, when I got time, and they never make time, like they never get to making time. And it's always like that. So I've been walking for like a good 8 to 10 minutes. how do you, I just be thinking, how does somebody make the time? Because, you know, like, I'm trying to do that for, like, not do that, but, like, do, like, produce, like, make beats and be a producer. The fuck? Be a producer and make shit. Just do mad shit for my life. And I just be wondering what's up with, like, the time frames and shit like that. I guess it, oh, nah, look. This nigga's on the street, this car. Oh, he not, oh yeah, he's still there. Hold on, hopefully I can show y'all. He like parked right on the street. But yeah, I don't know if the video was like fucked up because my son was in the back and shit, but, you know. Yeah, bro. I just be wondering how, oh, look. Boom. Right on the corner. I guess they picking up their little cart to take it away. Alright, it's over here. Boom. Niggas is already here. But I'm about to set up. Démelo. Oh, you shave? Un chingo.
¡Ay, mamá!
Démelo.
Bro.
Estamos aquí, bien.
¿Estás cuento que la haces tu mamá?
Nah, oh yeah, pero no hoy. I think it starts at 6. Loco, dile hola a la cámara.
Hola, mamá huevos.
Ya tú sabes. Yo, say what's up. Yeah,
Oye,
yeah.
maricón está grabando.
Yeah.
For what?
For a vlog, fuck it.
You still on YouTube?
Yeah, hell yeah. I uploaded something like a couple days ago. But yeah, I just wanted to show like.
Like you work in the studio?
Yeah, hell yeah. Yo, dime, ¿qué lo que? Yeah, yo, a ver si con. Oh, y'all doing this shit with Cecilia, right?
Yeah, but you can't record it.
It's secret?
Yeah.
Alright, look, I'm gonna take it off. Look. Yo, say bye, Steven, say bye.
Midget.
It's about like an hour later or something. I'm trying to find a room, but yeah, we was just chilling, listening to what he was making. I'm gonna see who's in here. Say what's up to the camera. How you doing, Tachana?
I'm good.
You good? What you about to do?
I'm about to
Write
make a
something?
video, an Instagram video.
Oh, Instagram video. You gonna freestyle?
Yes.
I'm gonna promote it.
Alright.
Do your thing. So yeah. So yeah, we was just listening to some stuff. Oh. That's a great way to open the door. Steven, can you open the J? Yeah. Huh? This is closed. This is closed right here.
Yo, my nigga, come on. No one wants to go back there. Open up rooms.
Bro, let me get the key and I'll do it.
You recording niggas again?
Nah, I'm recording myself.
Oh, you just got me that on tape, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, right?
I open it, nigga.
I'm gonna give you K.
K is hot though.
I don't. It's summer, so it might not be.
Yeah.
You want it now?
Yeah.
If you want J, I'll give you J.
Nah,
Oh no,
right
because
here.
J got the domestic speaker still, I think. They
Alright,
got
so
the-
let me
You don't
let
get
me get
anything.
K, nigga.
You don't get anything, right?
Oh what?
3 pairs of this joint.
KRKs?
No, a Yamaha HS5.
The ones that are in the new ones that I got before?
Yeah, the new Yamaha, the ones that are in G.
Yeah. That's a little though, but whatever.
Everyone likes those.
Yeah, they alright, they good.
Then people love the bass on them, apparently.
They nice. Word. Alright, thank you, Steven. Word, so 2 minutes. I'm about to set up. See, I gotta set all this shit up. Every time I leave the semester and come back, I be forgetting like the whole setup for everything in this bitch. Like, alright, so I know I'm supposed to have this in TRS2, this one aux in 2, unmuted, all the way up, shit like that. Let me see if it plays. I was cooking up 2 actually, but it's gonna play. it's gonna play. So yeah, let me see how it look right here. How this setup look. Boom. Move this mouse. It could be better. Alright, so yeah. So I'm gonna just show y'all what I did real quick. So first thing I did is I grabbed this loop from Looper Man. Actually, you know what this video is gonna be? This video is gonna be how to make samples or What happened?
I need your energy, that's why.
Oh, nah, I'm making a little video right now for YouTube. I'm trying to, I'm gonna show them how to like flip a sample and make it sound different and shit like that. Where,
You on recording right now?
Yeah, I'm recording. You can stay in if you want and shit like that. Yo, this is my guy Henny G. So
Stack your bread up.
Yeah. All of that, yo.
Damn, it smells good in here. It smells like some good hair products. What you got?
Nah, it's not me.
That's not me. Nah.
It's probably you. Get out of here.
Smell yourself.
Good stacking bread. Yo, tell them stack their bread up.
Stack your bread up.
Exactly. Yeah. Yeah, she in here, Steven.
When you ready to call, when you ready to stack your bread, you call. You call me.
Yeah,
you call this number, okay?
Yeah, give her a call,
you call this phone.
Don't twirl, nigga. Let me finish your video.
Nah,
Come over here.
What? You want me to go?
Yeah, you just said
Fuck. Alright, yo. I'll be back. Boom, I put my computer to charge, but I wanted to show y'all something this guy was making. Yo, Steven, play it, bro. Play it. I want to catch this.
Son, are you fucking with me right now?
Wait, play that real quick. Yo, play that real quick,
Hold on,
Steven.
no, let me show you. So this is, I think I had this part in it. I don't know.
You weren't really recording, were you?
Yeah, I was.
Oh my god.
It looks fire.
This is the sample.
Alright, let me see this.
I got you. I said I got it.
I didn't know where I recorded.
That's royalty free, right? Word.
But I play it like you have to play. I played it out and shit. It's not like it's like a.
Damn, that's right up my alley though. Hell yes.
And then no.
Wait, go to FL though. Look, FL.
make some
Fuck Pro
sexy
Tools, nigga.
schmexy-
Fuck Pro Tools. Yeah. We got Metro Boomin in the wheelchair. Yeah. Yo, what you gotta say to the Metro Boomin in the wheelchair? What you gotta say?
Oh, that's just hilarious.
In the wheelchair. That's gonna be the title of the video. Metro Boomin in the wheelchair, nigga. That's fire. I like that. What happened?
I just have my own phone behind your back, that's all. You know?
I like that, Steven. I like that. I'm about to go back to making my video, though. Alright, Metro. Yo, I'ma holler at you, Metro Boomin in the wheelchair. Yo, say peace to the people. What happened? You
What are
gonna
you
lock
using
the
this
back?
video for?
I'ma put it on my channel.
Oh my god, can I see myself at least?
I got you.